Today we are going to talk about canola oil, the most spine-chilling, heart-stopping substance known to humankind according to the whisper that haunts in the dark corner of the internet. According to the rumor, the fearsome canola oil is so sinister and malevolent that it's being quote-unquote banned in Europe. Or is it? Let's find out with PAA. And spoiler alert, it's actually not banned. Hello, welcome to What People Also Ask, where I search something seemingly obvious and share with you some of its pa, aka People Also Ask, which is a feature telling you what other people are searching on Google that relate to your query. Today's query is canola oil. I will first debunk the rumor that it's banned in Europe and then talk about some more details about it. So, is canola oil banned in Europe? The answer is no. Canola oil is not banned in Europe despite the rumor circulating online about its potentially harmful effect and supposed ban. In fact, canola oil is a safe and widely used vegetable oil that is extracted from the seed of the canola plant, which is a member of the brassica family, along with broccoli, cabbage, and Brussels sprouts. According to an article titled Why is Canola Oil Banned in Europe? And What is Substitute of Canola Oil? Published by Brussels Morning, which is an independent online newspaper that covers news and events from a European perspective. The main concern regarding canola oil is its high erucic acid content. Erucic acid is a fatty acid that can cause health problems when consumed in large amounts. However, it is important to note that there are brands that sell low erucic acid canola oil for those who are concerned about these issues. The rumor that canola oil is banned in Europe has been circulating since 2018, and it is not true. The rumor claims that canola oil is high in certain fatty acid that is unsafe for human consumption, with its monosaturated fat being dangerous for the human body. The rumor also alleged that European Union banned canola oil because it was considered toxic or carcinogenic. However, there is no evidence supporting those claims, and canola oil are not banned in Europe. Canola oil is safe, widely used, and versatile vegetable oil that is not banned in Europe. While it does contain erucic acid, there are low erucic acid variety available for those who are concerned. If you prefer to use alternative oil, olive, coconut, and avocado oils are excellent options. As with any food, it is essential to maintain a balanced diet and consult with a healthcare professional if you have concern about a specific ingredient. So, is canola oil healthy or not healthy? According to an article titled Canola Oil, Does It Contain Toxins? Published by Mayo Clinic, written by Catherine Zaraski, RDLD, a registered dietitian and specialty editor for the Nutrition and Health Eating Guide with the Mayo Clinic since 1999. Canola oil is healthy and safe for consumption. Health concerns about canola oil, such as it contains toxins, are unfounded. Canola oil is extracted from the seed of the canola plant and is recognized as safe by Food and Drug Administration. The confusion about canola oil safety may arise from its origin, as the canola oil plant was developed through crossbreeding with the rapeseed plant. Rapeseed oil contains high levels of erucic acid, a compound that can be toxic to humans when consumed in large amounts. However, canola oil has been specifically bred to contain very low levels of erucic acid, making it safer alternative to rapeseed oil. Furthermore, canola oil is low in saturated fat and has a high proportion of monosaturated fat, which contribute to its status as healthy and safe choice for cooking oils. So, which is healthier, canola oil or olive oil? An article titled Olive Oil vs. Canola Oil, Which is Healthier, was published by Healthline, a website that provides information on health and wellness. This article is written by Ryan Rahman, MSRD, a registered dietitian and nutritionist who has a Master of Science degree in Nutrition and Diabetic based in Seattle, Washington. In terms of nutritional composition, olive oil provides more saturated and monosaturated fat, while canola oils has higher polyunsaturated fat content. Additionally, olive oil is a better source of antioxidant, particularly extra virgin oil, which contains polyphenols as a powerful antioxidant in the body. Research has constantly shown that olive oil, especially extra virgin oil, offer numerous health benefits. People who regularly consume olive oils have reduced heart disease risk factors, improved blood sugar levels, and lower risk of death. Olive oil's health benefits can be contributed to its antioxidant and other plant compounds that are particularly abundant in extra virgin varieties. In contrast, canola oil is highly refined, which significantly reduces its nutrient content, including essential fatty acids and antioxidant. While canola oil has been promoted as heart-healthy fat, the evidence supporting its benefit is conflicting. Some studies suggest it may have benefit effect, while others indicate the opposite. Furthermore, some of the study promoting canola oil's benefit has been funded by the canola industry, raising potential conflict of interest. Overall, when comparing the health benefit and nutritional profile of canola oil and olive oil, particularly extra virgin olive oil, emerged as the healthier choice. It provides a higher antioxidant content and is supported by a relatively robust research regarding to its health benefits. How to use canola oil and olive oil in cooking. According to the same article, canola oil and olive oil have different characteristics that make them suitable for a variety of culinary applications. In terms of cooking, canola oil has a higher smoking point, 460 degrees Fahrenheit and 238 degrees Celsius, than regular and extra virgin olive oil, 410 degrees Fahrenheit and 210 degrees Celsius, and 383 degrees Fahrenheit and 195 degrees Celsius respectively. Make canola oil a better choice for high-heat cooking method like deep frying and searing. However, both oils can be used for pan frying and other medium heat cooking method. Extra virgin olive oil with its robust flavor is often used raw in salad dressings, dips, and as a topping for dishes. Regular olive oil has a more neutral taste and can be used when a less pronounced olive flavor is desired. Canola oil, which is bleached and deodorized, has a neutral taste and is mainly used in fried and baked goods. In conclusion, canola oil is not banned in Europe, despite the juicy rumor you might have heard. In fact, it's doing just fine, sitting on the shelf next to its more sophisticated cousin, olive oil. They both have their unique strengths, and to be honest, they are just trying to make it in the crazy world of cooking oils. While olive oil enjoys the time in the limelight, basking in the glory of its numerous health benefits, canola oil is content to hang out on the sideline, being the unsung hero of high-heat cooking. If you made it to the end of the video, chances are that you enjoy learning what people also ask on Google. But let's face it, reading PAA yourself will be a pain. So here's the deal. I will do the reading for you and upload a video compiling some fun PAA once a week. All you have to do is to hit the subscribe button and the bell icons. You won't miss any PAA report that I compile. So just do it right now. And leave a comment if you want. I reply to all the comments. Bye!